Friends, running Kimono here, and I did a $35 basket, and this was free plus a $3.51 money maker. I'm going to go through it item like deal by deal, and then I'll give you my basket overall. I know a lot of you like to do the same deals as I, so we're going to do that. And then I just went and did this little deal with the Tide Simply as well, and then I found a clearance item. And a couple other items we'll talk about at the end. Weather report for you guys. Beautiful one. It's about 62 degrees outside today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. And it's a bright and sunny one today. Okay, so first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens. And I did a $35 basket today. And I'm just going to go through it really quickly so you can see that the numbers are adding up to 35. These are $8 each, and we had a very generous 10 off of 3 that showed up this morning, and it works perfectly with this. Buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. The one snag I had in the store today, none of my register rewards printed, so the manager gave me the 5 for this and the 3 for that as points, which was like super nice. Alternatively, you could photograph your receipt, send it to Catalina, or call customer service or ask a manager in your store. And it's right at the front of the ad, so they shouldn't fight you with it. If the thing's not printing out, you know, you're not making stuff up. So that's what I did. That 10 off of 3 is just fantastic. So this would be $24 for the 3. Subtracting that 10 off of 3, then you would get back a $5 register reward, which isn't the best deal. But if you can put it in with a basket, like, you know, get back 5 when you spend 35, that's fantastic. Now also this, they're 2 for $7. We have a 3 off of 2 digital that showed up this morning. IBOTTA is giving back $1.50 for each. So it'd make it $1 for 2 or 50 cents each. Little Burt's Bees is $4.99. You might have to look high and low for this guy in the store. It's with the fancier toothpaste. There's a $2 digital coupon for the Burt's Bees adult, and IBOTTA is giving back $3, so it makes it completely for free. So how wonderful is that? So for my overall basket, this is what I did, guys. $24 for this, plus I had a 10 off of 3 loaded. This is all digital coupons. $7 for this and $4.99 for this. So adding all of that up together, that's $35.99. Now I had an $8 of Walgreens cash when you spend 35, along with the digital, which is 5 when you spend 35. So if you have both of those boosters, both a paper and a digital, those two stack. So I had $15 in digitals. I had a 10 off of 3, a 3 off of 2, and then a $2 one. So after all of that, the coupons came off, and yes, all of them came off. I had to pay $20.99 cash. So I used my debit card. Because this is a spend booster, both the paper and the digital, pay the balance in cash, bills, debit card, credit card, whatever. Don't use your Walgreens cash. And guys, I got back $13 in Walgreens cash. 8 for the paper booster, 5 for the digital booster, and then I got back $6 from IBOTTA, $1.50 back times 2 for the dial, and then $3 back for the Burt's Bees charcoal, and then the $5 register reward for this. It didn't print, but I got it on my store card. They just credited me $5. So, and I also got back a bonus for this because I bought Dial a couple weeks back and I got a 50 cent for buying it again. So after everything was said and done, this was free plus a $3.51 money maker. If you have that goofy $35 basket booster, this is an idea. If you want to just do these separately, this might be also an idea. This one is a little bit spendy, but these two deals you should absolutely do if you have the digital coupons to do them. So the next deal was with these little Tide Simply pods. They are 3 for $9. I threw in one 50-cent coupon from a recent insert and then $5 of Walgreens cash. I had to pay $3.50 out of pocket. And then, of course, my register reward didn't print, but the manager just gave me $3 of Walgreens cash. So not the worst deal, but just a little something to get these little pods. This was the absolute find for me. It's these dryer sheets that have been in the clearance section for the longest time for $5.99. And I asked the cashier to scan it for me, like what's the price of this? And she's like, it's $5.99. And then she scanned it in and it was 53 cents. So lo and behold, clearance item. And I found this in the regular clearance section. It wasn't in the laundry care aisle. So what a great deal. And one of you guys actually mentioned this to me. So thank you so much. What a great deal. Okay guys, now we're just going to go through some clearance stuff that I found. 50% off for the toilet bowl cleaner and the Pine Sol. Both really good deals. If you have some register rewards to burn, I would definitely, especially the toilet bowl stuff, because this stuff is, I don't know, it's like harder to find in stores lately. And then we have these little gel packs by Scrubbing Bubbles. You know, check if you might have some digital coupons or something like that, you know. So I did refrain myself from buying the Purina dog food. We have this BOGO 50% off coupon. It's like $5.99 off of 2, and they're on sale for $5.99. I just thought other pet owners would, you know, they should buy it before me because I don't have dogs, but what a great deal if you have a dog. And then the Febreze, these plugs are 2 for $10, and 5 off of 2 showed up this morning, so it would drop it down to $5 for the 2. If you're a Dollar General shopper, you know that we get it a lot cheaper than that, but say you only shop Walgreens, this might be a little dealio also for you. Guys, so I made a video on Friday about these little Cloroxes found at the Dollar Tree. This deal is dead. It's no longer available. All of the units for Clorox with checkout 51 are gone. So if you wanted to do the deal, you had to do it either Friday night or first thing Saturday morning because these rebates are gone. And what is checkout 51? It's a rebate app. So you will have to go and look for it in the App Store, take a quick tutorial. They always have one on how to use the app. Very easy to use. It's like any app. You basically photograph the receipt and then you get credits for items that you're buying, and you can either get PayPal or a check mailed to your house once you hit 20 bucks, I think. But these sort of videos, especially with Checkout 51 when it's a freebie at Dollar Tree, and this happens like every other month, you got to do them ASAP or, you know, it just doesn't work out. And I don't have a referral link for you guys to download the app. Just go to the App Store and download Checkout 51 so the next time you can be, you know, cooking with gas. Last thing I want to talk about is this line called Dollar Days at Rite Aid. And a lot of these items are a quarter, so they're 75% off, and just like 3 dish towels for 25 cents. That's really fantastic. If you were trying to stop using paper towels, this might be the thing. I think I bought 14 of these. I got 2 of these little lint rollers also for a quarter. You know, if you have pets, you know about pet hair. And then these little scrubbies for 25 cents, and then scouring. So if you have a Rite Aid, you might want to look if they have a display of the clearance or in the dollar spot section, because I think they're getting rid of this line called Dollar Days and they're getting something else. I noticed a lot of Ajax products are showing up over at Rite Aid, but like, hey, I'm very delighted. I think I paid $4.75 for all of these. So 14 of these 2, and these 3 scrubbies. So like, how fantastic is that? As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.